Okay, so we've been hearing noises from the factory.
Metal doors.
Like car doors. We heard like a screeching sound.
Really squeaky.
Yeah, squeak.
It's someone or something.
Someone or something.
I'm gonna leave my hand. Which it won't blow away with.
Wait, I heard another car door.
And there's running water and it's scary.
Yeah, it's really creepy. We're under this huge contraption that could turn on and kill us at any moment.
It could be dead air right now.
Yeah, it's just wind.
That's not.
Wait. I keep hearing things. I hear like a door.
Someone or something.
Someone threw smiley faces in all the high windows.
Are you serious?
Oh, I see them, yeah. One night smiley face.
At least they're friendly people.
Maybe it's a sign. Maybe it's a sign.
Welcome.
Come on.
Okay, we're totally hearing things. Sounds like someone's like.
It's not hearing.
No, we're hearing things. Okay, so we know the place is not empty.
It's just one night.
There's smiley faces in the windows. I mean,
One-eyed smiley face.
you guys are just really close together. This thing goes back from the door. I keep looking in the windows like.
It sounded like machinery running, but it's just a tree.
What if we went inside that? I wonder what's in there.
Oh my god.
We totally heard. It sounded like someone was coming out of the door.
That's not cool.
Oh, crap! Did you hear that? Did you hear that time?
Oh my god.
That's the door.
Inside. Oh my god, I don't like this
This is
one.
so scary.
If we die, go to the authorities.
Come to the conclusion that it's just the door creaking. Really?
But there's no storage bin.
Oh, it's the wind. Let's go. There's another camera.
That's what that is. Chains or something are hanging up against me.
Okay, there's another camera right there.
It's just hanging down. Okay, it says notice.
All drivers when
We're not drivers though, so we're cool.
horrible. Toys R Us.
Just, you know what? These are probably recycled trees.
I don't want to get like directly. I don't want.
Everything over there is locked.
I don't know.
Yes, it's locked.
Weapon?
Use this to battle off children.
No, that'd actually be really suspicious. No.
I wouldn't carry that around.
Okay,
Aaron, you're gonna let that go.
Aaron, I want to take a picture. Have yourself like half climbing on this thing.
Photo off.
Definitely. I'd be so scared. And Aaron just disappeared. We're going in.
Aaron?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Aaron.
Don't do it. Is there someone in there?
No, there's no one.
Stupid.